Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to add moderator cosmetics and everything. So as you can see, I already have wait for my PC to stop. Holy, oh yeah, I imported something earlier. You want to slow it down. Too slow. That's perfect. So this is my cosmetic right here, owner badge. I also have moderator top hat, as you can see. Also, you want to disable them once you make them. Also, I'm gonna disable autosave so I can enable these without it saving every single time. Right hand. Holy. The heck happened, bro? Okay, this is better. So this is how you add cosmetics. Okay, so you want to get your cosmetic. Let me find it. I put it somewhere in here. It's right there. I thought it said mod map for some reason. So you want to, this one's a head cosmetic, so you want to put it in head cosmetics. And you're gonna want to scale it down to a pretty good size. And it's so laggy. Why is it so laggy now? And this is like a mop. It's a mop cosmetic, so mod mop. Yep, that's the name. I'm gonna add to it here in a second. 3D object, text. Mod text. You can name it whatever you like. You wanna rotate it. If you're doing one with text, this is what you wanna do. But if you're not, you just do that. Okay, so you want to, if you're doing one with text, you want to click on your text, type whatever text it is, moderator, holy lag, that's why it just felt that weird. Moderator. There you go. I like to color my moderator name and text to something like blue. Dark blue is good. And then I always paint my things like this. Did that happen? So let me fix this real quick. Okay. I want to color it brown. Let's say you want to as well. You just drag on your color onto it. And then you want to click on your mod mop, disable it, save, unless you have autosave on. I'm gonna go back to my game. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Unmoving. So I have stuff like this to enable owner badge and stuff. So click that. Okay, that worked. So since I have a cosmetic for your head, let me disable that. Disable that too. This one. So if you have a head cosmetic, let's take this full thing. Wait. Let me just take the buttons. Actually, I'm just gonna take the whole thing. Staff buttons. Let's take this. Not the text. Let me disable these buttons real quick. Delete them. Let me drag it onto staff buttons and name it mod mop. And then I'm gonna drag it in here. This is just for display. That's a tiny mod mop. Like super tiny. Let me slow it down a little bit. Like, dang. So so now that that's done, well, it's not actually done yet. Let me rename this to mod mop. And then by the way, I'm using Be Awesome scripts and stuff. So yeah. Let me recolor it brown. And then now I'm done. But if you actually want it to work and stuff, you would actually need to disable. Oh, wait. Drag it in here. Make sure that's under there. Yep, that's there. There. I'm gonna drag this down. I find staff buttons. right here. Mod mop. Okay, so now when I click this, it moves all of it. Okay. And then you want to disable staff buttons. For me, I need to disable owner badge as well. And then you would have to do all the PlayFab stuff, which I already have set up. Dang it! I clicked it on accident. Okay guys, see ya. It works. I know it does. Bye.